What's going on, everybody? It's Autogera. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to recharge your AC in your 2013 Dodge Charger. Alright, so what you want to do first is locate the low pressure service port, which is going to be right here. Now this is a 6.4 liter Hemi V8, which might be a bit different if you have the 5.7 or the V6. Now your next step is going to be to start the car. Alright, once you got your car started, you're going to want to crank up your AC all the way to the max and make sure it's at its coldest settings. Alright, from there you just let the car get up to operating temperature, let the compressor kick in and all that other stuff. So just give it a minute. And then your next step is going to be to take the gauge and hook it up to the service port so you can check the pressure.
And as you can clearly see, I am low as fuck on Freon. I definitely need some Freon. No wonder my ass has been cooking in this heat. This shit sucks.
Next thing you want to do, you're going to want to hook the gauge back up to your bottle of Freon, refrigerant, whatever the fuck you want to call it. And from there, just give it a quick shake. Alright, now that you got it hooked up, start pressing. And just hold this up until this gets filled up. And you should be good. Now, don't go past the, the point where it says filled. Obviously, you want to make sure you're good. You don't want to fill up too much. Now, one thing you want to make sure you do is occasionally let go of the trigger and then read your pressure. You don't want this to go in the red. Keep it in the green. Keep it in the green. All right, once the gauge gets in the green, let it go, unplug the gauge, and go inside and test your AC. Moment of truth. Ooh, this feels so good. So that's all for today's video, guys. If this helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below for more videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay cool out there, because ain't no damn way I'm doing another summer with no AC. And you shouldn't either.